Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever watched a video where scenes just melt into each other so smoothly? That, my friends, is the magic of transitions. Today, we'll show you exactly how to add these in Clipchamp. Even if you've never edited a video before, stick around because at the end, we'll share 2 important tips which will help you add transitions in an efficient way. First things first, open up Clipchamp and either click on Create New Video button or open a project you've already started editing. Make sure you have at least 2 video clips or media items on your timeline. That's how transitions work. They bridge 2 clips together. Let's add a transition. Drag 2 clips next to each other on the timeline. Click the little plus icon between them. That's where your transition will go. Now watch this. If you click on Transitions icon on the right side, you'll notice Clipchamp has added a default transition on your behalf. The transition added is highlighted by this blue border, and you'll also see a slider below the transition. We'll see how to use this slider ahead in the video. There are many transition options available for you. All these options are also available on this left side panel here. To add a transition, or to replace an existing transition between your clips, all you have to do is drag a transition of your choice from this panel and drop it between the clips. As soon as you bring the transition between the clips, you'll notice a plus sign appears. Drop the transition on this plus sign, and you are done. Click on this play button to check how it looks in your video. Remember, the clips should not have gaps in between them, else you'll see a delete option in between, and you won't be able to add transitions. If you want to remove the transition, simply right-click on the transition between the clips and click Delete. Experiment with different types. Sometimes a simple fade tells a better story than a fancy spin. Smooth, right? It's time for the tips we mentioned previously. First is keep duration of transition short enough. Remember the slider that we see below the transition that we add in videos? With slider, you can customize how long a transition lasts. Just click on the transition box and adjust the duration slider. This duration is in seconds. Short transitions is equal to fast cuts. Longer transitions is equal to more cinematic feel. When you increase the time on slider, you'll notice the blue area on the clips increases. Adjust it as you wish. Second tip, use the transition preview. Transition preview feature is really helpful when it comes to saving your time. Instead of adding each transition on timeline to see how it works, use preview feature. You can hover mouse cursor over each item on this transition panel on left side here to see a preview of the transition. And that's how you add transitions in Clipchamp like a total pro. Once you are done editing your video, click on this Export button. Choose the video quality you need. Your video will download on your local machine once the exporting is done. If this helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments which transition you're going to try first. Until next time, keep creating superb videos.